going to show you how to do a canary yellow color wash eye in 60 seconds using the Primary palette. I love using an eye primer, and this one is a lab sample tease of one I've created with 360 eye priming benefits. The micro palm palettes are designed for brush and fingertip application. I get more payoff using my fingertips, and then I use a brush for shaping and blending. Tap, layer, blend, repeat until you get the shape and intensity you want. I'm going bold, so I'm applying liberally, including a fat application on the lower lash line. And as standard, finishing with a spidery, inky black lash. Kicking this look up a notch, I decided to combine the orange and yellow from the Primary palette on a flat contour brush and build up the two-tone haze blush vibe, paired with a vampy dark lip to play up the opposite tones. This is a fun way to rock a primary unique shadow. Be bold, stand out, be different.